Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel App Tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off active status on Fiverr. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Fiverr app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen at the bottom, you're gonna find 5 options: Home, Messages, Search, Order, and User Icon. Tap on User Icon, then navigate your way to the top left corner of your screen, where you're gonna find a display picture. Tap on it, then a menu will appear from the bottom of your screen where you can see options like Profile Image and Set Status. Now under Set Status, you'll see Online Status, which you're gonna have to turn off. And guys, that's it. That's how you turn off active status on Fiverr. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.